Connected. The bugger. She taking off. First car. Oh Lord, what have we done? Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab my tripod up out of here. I've been really cleaning a lot lately on all these cars. Trying to keep everything clean. I gotta move Camille, and so as y'all can see, she got those razzle dazzle on her car, and my baby girl want to put it on her car. Her car is named Pinkalicious. I detailed it this morning. I washed it. I didn't fix the front bumper because one, I'm not trying to put a lot of money into this, so I'm finna try to pull it up in the driveway. I did clean up the chrome on it pretty good. I washed it down. I'm gonna wipe down the interior, spray some smell good in there. I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of all her trim to match. I'm gonna go ahead and put all the rest of that trim to match that. So it's gonna have a steering wheel, and I'm gonna do the tag cover. But in the meantime, I gotta move all the cars out the way. Well, I gotta move this one at least, and I'm gonna pull this one in this position. So I gotta move Camille, put it over here, and put the toys right there so my extension cord can reach. And I go ahead and vacuum it. So man, yeah, y'all just stay tuned. I'm super geeked today because anytime a car, a four-wheeler, or anything in my fleet could leave, it frees me up time to put more effort and time into another project. I'm just hoping that with my baby girl, she take care of this car, and I just keep a thigh out with her. You know what I mean? I'm like, if you tear this car up, hey man, shit, it's gonna be hard times for you because she got a busy schedule. I got a busy schedule. Everybody got a busy schedule, and she's an adult, so she's learning how to adult the hard way, and I'm trying to just help her as best I can, man. So I'm just keeping it real with her, man. Shit, she already doing good to have a car, considering that, you know, I ain't got no money for real to be investing into no car, no new car at least. So for her to have this used car, I want her just to learn how to appreciate it, and we're gonna see how it goes. This is gonna be interesting, but yeah, y'all just stay tuned, man. I got plenty of work to do, and I'm trying to go ahead and get it done before the sun go down. So y'all stay tuned. The bugger. She taking off. First car. Oh Lord, what have we done? Y'all be careful, man. Man, you got some wheels, man. You don't need to be worried about the Bluetooth shit. You figure that out with time. That's sugar. You an AM.
How you go to FM?
Come on, man. You gotta look at the buttons right there. Look, go down. You see AM, FM right there by the power button, the round one? Just rock with that for a little bit. You'll figure out the Bluetooth. I want you to be careful. I ain't worried about that. Love you. Uh-oh. What have we done, folks? Let's see. I'm not telling you what that sound is. I love you too. There it is, man. Princess, she gone. We're going back up in here. While you finding my stuff, I wanted to show this Camaro. I thought this Camaro was pretty clean. Man, this thing clean. I think this is Louis the Singer's car. I'm out your way. Man, y'all be having some stuff up in here. Let's check out this. Man, that thing clean too. Ain't no telling what they gonna do to this stuff. Look at this one, clean. I ain't supposed to be over here looking. Mr. Johnny gonna get mad at me. Damn, this thing clean. So I got all this stuff I need to take to the mechanic. So you can finish assembling everything. Everything been balanced now. Some of this stuff probably was internal, external, internal, external, external, internal. I don't know, man. It's so many different things where it's like I'm learning as I go. So this is what we got. You know what I mean? I got a lot of money tied up into this shit now. I know that for sure. But he kept everything together. If he didn't need it, he didn't open it. So I'm gonna toss this out. But yeah, man, y'all get the idea of what's going on. Yep, he say these top caps got to be, some he was saying, a certain specification. And so he didn't put markers on them. I don't know why that represents. I don't know nothing about this stuff, man. So y'all don't be expecting for me to just teach y'all a whole bunch, but we learning together on this channel. So yeah, man, there we go. Time to close this on up and get to work. Man, so I really haven't been over here at the shop a lot lately. I've been thinking about this like crazy. Trying to get those brakes put on it the correct way. I'm gonna mess with that a little bit. And I was thinking I may just need to shorten these bolts on the top. I'm not sure. Because with that shim, I may just take the shims out and try to pull it tighter. I'm not sure. It just seems like it'll take forever for it to get down there on them control arms. But I've been thinking. And I may start trying to align the fenders and put the body shims in there. Being that I know I'm not gonna do the vintage air, not this season. I'm trying to get the car up and going, but in the meantime, got some things I need to do for the shop, like stock some stuff up, move some things around, clean up some things, throw some things away. I'm gonna go ahead and crank this truck up. I haven't drove my truck in a while. Wow. That is crazy. My truck won't even start up. Oh, that's not no good. That's no bueno. So I guess I won't be taking this one then. Damn. this caliber. I'm gonna take it to my friend on the driver's side, and I'm gonna have him spread it out because those pistons are seized on it and they're in the outward position, and so it's too tight to put on this side. I've been looking at a lot of things that I installed. I didn't know if this is supposed to be rubbing right here. It seems rather tight. It seems real tight to me, as if that's not supposed to be there. Maybe I might have put it on backwards, but I doubt it. Don't seem like it's too many ways that could go, but it's a possibility. But I did, let me see. Oh, bless me. But I took those shims out. As y'all can see, there's a lot of play in there right there. It really is. So the bleeder bolt is on the top now. So y'all can see when I grinded all that powder out because they didn't plug those holes right, it is chipped. It's chipping in a lot of places, but it's meant to be driven. This is not a show car by far. It will be at some shows once it's done, but am I trying to be the mirrors up under there and all that? No, not really. But everything is spinning on here. You can hear it's definitely, them brakes is definitely gripping. So I don't think I'm gonna need new pads, but I may get new rotors. But yeah, again, I may just roll them like that. Ain't no telling. I know some new rotors will look really good on there. But as of right now, about my truck not starting, man, I really don't even feel like being bothered with the shop today. I was not expecting that, man, of all things. So I don't have my charger with me right now. I'm gonna bring the charger back and try to get this dually started. But in the meantime, I have some other business to tend to. Right now, I'm just trying to get the extra money. I'm trying to run the bag up. I really haven't been coming over here to the shop much because I'm just saving. And there's really nothing for me to do over here right now. At this point in time on the car, I'm saying that, but I still have a lot of stuff that I can do. Like I could mess with the fenders, but I want to make sure that the suspension is buttoned up before I move forward, because it'll be pointless for me to keep on moving forward and then keep on coming backwards because of mistakes that I made. But man, if y'all like this type of content, I need y'all to like, share, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, share with a friend. Tell them, man, hey, this dude don't know what the hell you doing, and share it and laugh, because when it's done, man, it's gonna be a story for sure, man. And I'm just documenting the whole process. I'm not no expert. All this stuff to me is new. My first diesel, my first Banshee, and my first restoration, my first manual hot rod car. Everything that I have is the first. I done had a lot of stuff, but I always try to buy something that's different. So if y'all like variety and everything, y'all stay tuned. Ain't no telling what's coming to the channel. Ain't no telling what I'm gonna get rid of. The last 2 weeks, I got rid of the Taurus for my daughter, as y'all gonna see in the beginning of this video. And I sold the Raptor. And if y'all go back to the previous video, y'all see that I sold the Raptor 350. Today was Sunday. I was planning to come get the Banshee, take it out, create some really dope and lit content for y'all. But hey, it is what it is. It didn't go how I wanted, but it's all good. But we're gonna come back, probably throw the charger on the dually, leave it on there for about a day or two, maybe come back and check it. And if not, probably by the end of the week, I'll be trying to get a mechanic over here to check on it. So y'all just stay tuned, man. Don't ever count your boy out. Man, so this still for sale, y'all. Y'all see the bike is right there, real clean, real low miles. Don't have a title right now, but it wouldn't be nothing to get all the paperwork. It's a legit bike. This is the price it was paid for, as y'all can see right there. You know what I mean? Good little bike for a teenage boy. You know what I mean? It's not over powerful. It's not too powerful. As y'all can see, man, this thing barely been ridden. Real clean. You know what I mean? We're asking 25, but we negotiating on it. All the numbers still on this, all the way legit, man. You know what I mean? Not to show y'all too much, but there it is. Y'all let me know what y'all want to do.